marvel me how much impression Jamaican have on the world. A small little country like Jamaica is so impactful. Like, we go places in a big foreign, bro, and a person would hear my accent and they would say to me, "Where are you from?" "I'm from Jamaica." Jamaica! I love Jamaica. And have you ever been to Jamaica before? No, but I plan to go. Jamaica is such a wonderful place. I love the people. I love the food. It's like a big deal. Jamaica is such an inspirational place, yo. We're just happy to be a Jamaican. The aura where Jamaica bring off unmatched, isn't me? No disrespect to nobody else in the country, but everybody want a little bit of Jamaican in them, isn't me? Big up to everybody. We love Jamaica, you see? We love it too, yeah?
Jamaica, a small island with a massive global impact. From the music that shaped generations, to the food, the energy and the spirit of the people, Jamaica has captured hearts in every corner of the world. And today we are diving into what the world really thinks about Jamaica and Jamaicans. And trust me, the love is real. Stick around because at the end we break down why Jamaica's influence is so powerful and why it continues to inspire millions.
The Jamaicans managed to open up a Jamaican restaurant in every single country in the world. So I have traveled to around 20 different countries, and what I still don't understand is how every single place I've visited, I've always met a Jamaican person who has married a local, has mixed Jamaican kids, and has opened up a Jamaican restaurant with the best Jamaican food in town, which is the only Jamaican restaurant in town. Like, I understand if you are a person of Chinese or Indian descent, because China and India literally incorporate around a third of the entire world's population, and because of colonization. But Jamaica is a tiny island from the Caribbean. So my question is, how did you even find this country to immigrate to, first of all? And if you really do not believe me, literally, wherever you are in the world, look up Jamaican restaurant in your country and you will find it.
So I'm getting ready to go to Jamaica again. I can't wait for this next trip. And it's like the magical portal, the most magical portal that I've ever been to. And all my girlfriends are like, "Girl, you're going to Jamaica again?" And I'm like, yes, I am. And they're like, "Why do you love Jamaica so much?" And I'm like, "Girl, have you ever been to Jamaica? It's quite the most beautiful, most surreal, I just can't explain it. You just gotta go." And, I was trying to tell her the reasons why I love it, because I've been there the past year. I've been there 3 times, and I've been to a lot of different places. I've been to Dubai, I've been to Africa, I've been to Mexico, I lived in Spain. Like, I've been around, but something about Jamaica just does it for me, It's like everything. So the food is absolutely incredible. The people, I feel like I'm just home, you know what I mean? Everyone accepts me. It's just, I don't know, it's everything. The views, the vibes, like, it is just a good time, and I just can't wait because I'm gonna be there again, and I'm bringing more of my friends this time. So see you soon, Jamaica.
If you are a black person especially, and you're used to feeling like a second-rate citizen in your own country, and you come here and you are seen, you are appreciated, you are validated, and on top of that, you are laughing all day long. Why wouldn't you think this is paradise? It is paradise. Land that I love. This is the first place in the world that I felt like a human being. This is the first place that I felt truly seen. It was the times where I came to Jamaica to vacation as a child, and I barely made friends in the US, and in one weekend in Jamaica I would make 10 friends. "Oh, you want to play dominoes with me?" I remember one Halloween I didn't have a costume. Well, my mom got me a costume. I didn't like it, and she punished me for that. Anyway, When I went outside, the kids didn't care. They're ready to play with me. They're joking around, they're playing around. They did not care in the least. This is Jamaica, where character matters. People are real here. People truly see you here. And this is what makes it so special and so beautiful and just such an iconic place to vacation and hopefully for me to live.
So one of the things I've come to love about Jamaican culture is that, like, at first this was kind of hard, but I like it because you don't ever have to wonder where you stand with somebody that's Jamaican. Like, if they don't like you, you know. If they love you, you know. And I think that's refreshing because, yeah, I mean, we want to be polite, and I get that. And there's a time definitely you want to be that way, but it's also cool because you know, like, if somebody loves you or rocks with you, that it's like real, you know what I mean? It's not just polite. And so I think that's something that's really refreshing about Jamaica. So shout out for just keeping it real and leaving no room for questions, good and bad. Love y'all.
When people talk about Jamaica, one word keeps coming up over and over again: vibes. Jamaica isn't just a place, it's a feeling. Someone from Japan said, Jamaica's music is my therapy. Another one from UK said, Jamaicans have the best energy. And lastly, someone from Kenya said, their culture is so rich and inspiring. From Africa to Europe, Asia to the Americans, people say Jamaica represents freedom, creativity, strength, and joy. And let's be honest, Jamaica's global love story begins with the music. Reggae didn't just become a genre, it became a global language. Bob Marley alone changed how the world views unity, love, and resistance. His message influenced nations, movements, and the entire generations. In dancehall, it rewired fashion, slang, choreography, and modern pop culture. Artists across the world, from Africa to Latin America to North America, all credit Jamaica for shaping their sound. When your small island influences the entire music industry, that's legendary. Let's talk about the flavor. People travel thousands of miles just to taste authentic Jamaican food. Jack chicken is now a global celebrity. Jamaican parties, you can find them in major cities worldwide. And don't get me started on rice and peas, a cultural icon. People fall in love with Jamaican food because it's bold, soulful, and unforgettable, just like the people. One of the biggest reasons the world loves Jamaica is the people. Ask anyone who has been to the island. The warmth, the confidence, the humor, the passion. Jamaicans stand out everywhere they go. They are known for resilience, creativity, strength, and pride. Even in tough times, that Jamaican spirit shines through. People say Jamaicans make everywhere feel like home. Whether you are in London, New York, Toronto, Nairobi, or Kingston. Another reason the world respects Jamaica, the achievements are out of this world. Jamaica's athletes dominate the global stage, especially in sprinting. When you think of speed, you think of Jamaica, period. Culturally, Jamaica influences fashion, language, dance, film, and spirituality. Almost every creative industry. Many people say Jamaica punches far above its weight. A small island with the power of a global superforce. So, what makes Jamaica so loved around the world? It's more than beauty, more than beaches, more than vacations. People love Jamaica because it represents freedom, identity, culture, strength, community, courage, and of course, love. Jamaica's motto is out of many, one people. And somehow, that message has reached millions worldwide. Jamaica teaches the world how to live boldly, love deeply, and express yourself without apology. So, whether you are a Jamaican, have Jamaican roots, or just love the culture, one thing is clear: Jamaica's impact is unmatched, and its influence will continue shaping the world for generations. Now, I want to hear from you. What made you fall in love with Jamaica? Drop your answer in the comments. I am reading everything. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more global stories, cultural conversations, and Caribbean content. One love and blessings always.